Assalamu alaikum, this is Murid Hussain and thanks for watching my video. So in this video I will talk about the new iPhone 12 series. Apple held a September virtual event. Those expecting iPhones were disappointed. The event focused on the new Apple Watch 6, Apple Watch SE and iPads instead. The announcement date for the iPhone 12 series remains up in the air. However, Apple will launching the iPhones on October 23rd. We are very close to finally getting to see the new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro models from Apple, and these phones promise to feature some of the biggest changes to the iPhone lineup in a long time. The iPhone 12 will reportedly drop the existing design for an all-new looks as well as add 5G connectivity across the range, Apple's highly anticipated A14 Bionic processor, and for the Pro set specifically LiDAR cameras. The 120Hz display for the Pro models are in limbo based on leaks. We are expecting Apple to announce 4 new iPhones later this year, and signs and portents increasingly suggest that the smallest will be named the iPhone 12 mini, a title new to the iPhone range but with a solid Apple heritage. Past and present mini Apple products include the iPod mini, iPad mini and Mac mini, so it might be time for mini iPhone 2. The name was mentioned earlier this week by established leaker Love to Dream, who suggested that the 4 new iPhones would be called the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now another leaker has shared pictures showing Apple's silicone case stickers complete with names and hand-labeled screen sizes. They match previous rumors for size and specs with the lineup as follows: the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, 6.1-inch iPhone 12, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. All 4 are expected to promote a design that harkens back to the iPhone 5's flat machine edges along with the possible slimmer notch. This design will be much cooler than previous, as an iPhone mini with a 5.4-inch screen might eventually take the place of the iPhone SE, currently the smallest handset in Apple's iPhone lineup. But this would be a surprisingly difficult niche to occupy. The original SE and its 2020 successor have been widely praised for their value, tried and tested design and pocketable screen size. Not everyone wants a massive phone, especially iPhone. A 5.4-inch iPhone mini would have a larger display than both SE models but could be smaller than the second generation because of slimmer bezels. So again, at the end I would like to share that the iPhone 12 could have a release date of October 23rd. This is based on a leak for the iPhone 12 launch event date, which is reportedly October 13. iPhone 12 pre-orders would start October 16 based on this timetable. So it was all from my side. Thank you. Take care.